Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record cash expenses or other expenses that haven't been recorded through bills section on accounting. To record expenses, either we can go through quick links and click on expenser, or we can go through banking and there is transactions section, where we will be able to go to top right corner and click on new expense. Now we need to fill in details for this particular expense. So for example, I had an expense on Monday, payment. If you have paid by bank transfer, maybe credit cards or etc., or in cash, like in my case, select payment method which applies to this particular expense payment. Select an account. I paid in cash, but if you paid with credit card, you'll be able to select your credit card bank account. Enter an amount, I will say 55. Description, I will say travel expense. I can assign to category. So if you haven't got category, you can add new categories there. So I will add travel there. And if you have a vendor, you can allocate to particular vendor. But if it's just a receipt for travel expenses, you can leave this blank and just record as a transaction. Attachment, I will have expense of, I will say, petrol for £55. Receipt has been added and click save. Okay, so this cash expense in my case has been recorded, created by who. I can edit information, and also I can download attachments that have been added here. On right hand side there is the details of this cash expense and how much I spend on this. I can edit this entry, example if I want to allocate a particular supplier name, or I can also duplicate, connect, print, download this receipt, share, send via email, or also delete. So this is the way how you can record other expense or cash expenses on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.